If you're looking for a vacuum that offers powerful cleaning without being bulky or difficult to maneuver, take a look at this bagged canister vacuum. Right out of the box, it comes with everything you need, including two premium German engineered floor attachments, a crevice tool, an upholstery tool, and an adjustable telescopic wand. One of my favorite features is that it includes two specialized floor brushes. The turbo brush is great for lifting dirt and pet hair from carpets, while the wide parquet brush with natural bristles glides smoothly over hardwood floors without scratching the surface. The vacuum has a powerful 1200-watt motor with four adjustable suction levels, so you can easily choose the right amount of suction depending on the surface you're cleaning. Whether it's hardwood floors, area rugs, or low pile carpet, it delivers strong, consistent performance. I also appreciate how lightweight and easy it is to move around. The canister swivels smoothly behind you, making it easy to clean around furniture and carry up and down stairs. Another feature that makes cleaning easier is the extra long reach. The 22-foot retractable power cord combined with the telescopic wand gives you up to 33-foot cleaning radius. So you can clean large areas without constantly switching outlets. If you have pets or allergies, you'll also appreciate the H13 Hepa filtration system. It helps capture fine dust and allergens while keeping the air cleaner as you vacuum. The large dust bag is another great feature because it holds more dirt, meaning fewer bag changes. And when it's time to replace, the hygienic disposal system helps keep dust contained, making the process much cleaner. The onboard crevice and upholstery tools are always within easy reach, making it simple to clean furniture corners, stairs, and other hard to reach places. Overall, this vacuum combines powerful suction, thoughtful accessories, excellent filtration, and lightweight maneuverability into one easy to use cleaning system. Thank you to the brand for sending me this canister vacuum to try and share with you today.